My friend has been advised oncoplastic surgery for breast cancer. Could you please explain about this?
Oncoplastic surgery is some term which you will come across whenever breast cancer is talked about. And very often, whenever it is possible to save the breast, we talk about performing oncoplastic surgery to give almost the normal appearance of a breast. Now, why is it become a norm? Because many of the patients today are opting for saving their breast because they don't want to be cosmetically abnormal, they don't want to lose their normal appearances. So whenever this is the case, even if the breast tumor is large, as of today it is safe to perform a breast lumpectomy followed by oncoplastic reconstruction. Sometimes we might give chemotherapy before and make the tumor size smaller in order to be easier to perform, and we always give radiotherapy after all these breast conservation surgeries with or without reconstruction. Now, what are the various aspects of the reconstruction or what we call as oncoplastic surgery? Basically, the concept of oncoplastic surgery is to give the volume to the breast that has been lost by removal of the tumor. So this can be done by various ways. And one of the most common ways which we do it is by what is called as rotation mammoplasty, wherein the adjoining tissue, breast tissue, is rotated in such a way that the lost tissue is, or the appearance of the lost tissue does not become obvious. There are times when we have to reduce the size of the opposite breast in order to give a cosmetically appealing appearance, but that is also can be done in the same sitting. The idea of the oncoplastic surgery is to perform the entire procedure, that is the resection or the removal of the tumor along with the reconstruction in single sitting. That is the concept why it has come, and this avoids 2 or 3 surgeries which were previously performed, wherein removal of the tumor was done first and then the reconstruction was performed. So today the performance of both the techniques or both the surgeries together is a norm. There are also times when for a large size tumor it requires a tissue from somewhere else from the body. For example, from the back what is called as latissimus dorsi flap, or from the abdomen what is called as a TRAM or DIEP flap, in order to perform or give volume to that area. There are times when we also add some silicone prosthesis in order to give normal appearance. So the options are many. There are many ways in which we can perform or give a cosmetically normal appearance to the person. So the choice lies with the patient and the doctor in order to discuss and come to a conclusion as to what is the best way for the given patient.